Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cover screen is not responding in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. If you're using S23 FE and you're facing the issue that your touchscreen isn't responding, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing I recommend you have to make a force restart to fix this issue because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by making a force restart. Now for this you have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds. So let's try this. You have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time. So the very first you will get a black screen here once you hold down your buttons. Now once you get the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo. And once you get the Samsung logo here, just release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a force restart to your phone. You just have to wait for a few seconds here because the force restart might take longer than usual. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to wait for a few seconds until your phone screen refresh because after a force restart, your phone might take a few seconds to refresh. And once you see a this type interface, now you can easily use your phone without any issue like that. If you're still facing the same issue, so you can retry to again make a force restart. But if your phone was fallen, so you can try to check for its display or its screen or its touch sensor because sometimes it might be that when your phone has been fallen, its touch sensor has been broken or damaged. So you just have to repair that, or you can also try to get a new one touch sensor or get a new screen for your phone, or you can also retry to make a force restart. I recommend you have to make almost 3 force restart before you try to repair or change your touchscreen. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.